Okay. Now we have to put this conversation in order. Tenemos que poner esto en orden. So, let's read. Here you are. That's £3, please. Hello, can I help you? Sure, here you are. Anything else? No, that's it. Thanks. Can I have some grapes, please? Okay, we have to put all these expressions in order. Which is the first sentence? ¿Cómo comenzaríamos esta conversación? Supongo, I guess it is, hello, can I help you? Hello, can I help you? And the answer is, here you are, that's, sure, no thanks, can I have? Yes. Can I have some grapes, please? Hello, can I help you? Can I have some grapes, please? The next one is, sure, here you are. Anything else? Uh-oh. So, hello, can I help you? Can I have some grapes, please? Sure, here you are. Anything else? No, that's it. Thanks. And then, here you are, or that's £3, please. That's £3, please. Here you are. Okay, so the conversation is, hello, can I help you? Can I have some grapes, please? Sure, here you are. Anything else? No, that's it, thanks. That's £3, please. Here you are. Okay, good. Let's check. Yes, that's correct.